welcome to our yard. We are direct importer and exporter of Japan surplus trucks and heavy equipments. Today we will show our new arrival Caterpillar excavator. Caterpillar Excavator 320C model. Working hours 3,700. Half cubic bucket. Original Japan surplus. The CAT 320 excavator brings premium performance with simple-to-use technologies like CAT grade with 2D, grade assist, lift assist, and payload. All standard equipment from the factory to boost your operator efficiencies up to 45%. Combine these features with a new cab, longer maintenance intervals that lower your maintenance cab with aircom. Costs up to 20%, and a power system that reduces fuel consumption by up to 25%, and you have a low-cost per unit of production excavator that's perfect for medium to heavy-duty applications. High performance with lower fuel consumption. Boost efficiency and boost productivity with integrated CAT technologies. Work in comfort in the all-new cab. Guaranteed not used in the Philippines. Simple to operate. Call now to get this for affordable prices. Please call Engineer 𝐉𝐚𝐩𝐻𝐚 at 0919977999 or 091777999955. You can also visit our website to view our other trucks available at www.𝐷𝐆𝐔𝐀𝐑𝐀𝐍𝐓𝐄𝐃.com. You can visit us in our yard today. We are located at Purictajasa Road, Concepcion, Lubao, Pampanga. We are accepting pre-orders for Japan surplus trucks and heavy equipment tailored to your specific needs, so rest assured we can handle the import for you. Call us today to get your dream perfect business truck with us. You can pay true cash or bank financing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep you updated to our next video uploaded.